Hi, hello and welcome. Today we are going to see how to use the all technical indicators or make visible all the technical indicators on this chart. This is a Binance Futures layout. This is a candlestick chart. To reach over here, just go to Binance. Type Binance on Google. Click on the first link. You will land on this page. Then go to derivatives. Click on USDM futures. Click on it. You will land on this page. To enable the technical indicators, if you are able to see the cursor, just go over here. Here is the technical indicator options. Just click on it. You will display all the technical indicators. So generally what we can do, firstly we put RSI in the chart. To insert RSI, search for RSI. Just type RSI, SI, that is relative strength index. Click on it. It will get displayed on the chart. To get a maximum view, just click on this full screen button. You will get all view in a full screen. This is RSI. To make it more visible, just click on this setting button. It is already set to the 14 period length. Go to style, go to color. I generally prefer bright color to make it visible. Background color, just vanish it and click on OK. So in this way you can put RSI on the chart. So next part is I'm going to put stochastic RSI. For that I will click STO, stochastic RSI. Just click on it. It will display stochastic RSI as well. Then I will put MACD as a MACD, MACD. Click on it. It will again displayed on this chart. So basically what they can do, they provide in a general color. To make it visible, you need to make it bright. Just click on it. Just slide this bar or make it more darker. Do the same thing with this color. Okay, and just blur the background. You can easily see this technical indicator. Do same with the MACD. Go to settings. You can change the histogram as well. I generally make it as a column. That comes to be more brighter. Then go to the line. Keep it as a line. Make it more brighter and make it darker as well. Do the same thing with this. Make it brighter and darker. Then click on OK. This is more precise. Okay, so these are some basic technical indicators. In this way you can put on the chart. To put more indicators, that is exponential moving average, double moving average, all are available here. Bollinger Bands, Williams Alligator, or all see Williams Alligator, Williams percent R, Williams Factor, fractal, zigzag. All are the technical indicators are available over here. So generally I keep these indicators on a chart, and these indicators as well. This is double moving average. To make it visible, I click on this. Just make it full screen to make it more visible. To change the moving average inputs, just click on the setting button, then go to inputs. I generally put 50 and 200 simple moving average. in BB, that is Bollinger Bands. You can easily put this from here, this Bollinger Bands. Click on it, you will get this kind of Bollinger Band pattern visible. Then alligator, just hide the Bollinger Band and moving average. You are able to see the alligator, that is William alligator, which you will get from over here, Williams alligator. Okay, then this is pivot points, that is support and resistance. This is a baseline which you can see a datum line. S1, S2, S3 are the three supports. R1, R2, R3, these are considered to be as a resistance. You can just hide out from this point, enable this navigator, and just come out from this window. To again go to trading window, just click on this button. You will come automatically to this era. This is taking some time to get loaded. So these are my basic indicators. I generally use this RSI to the 8 level, MACD, Stochastic Rsi, and R percentage 40. So in this way you can put all the technical indicators on the chart. So that's it from this video. So if you want anything else to be covered from this video, or else I will cover in the next video, please let me know in the comment section. So that's all from this video. Till then, keep learning and do the safe trading. Thank you.